Diane is with us to start off this hour in New Mexico. Hi, Diane. How are you?
Hi, Dave. Thank you for taking my call. It's an honor to talk to you.
You too. What's up?
Okay, I have a 4-month emergency fund. The only debt I have is my house. And I have a Roth 401k, and I called my financial advisor to try to kind of look for the future and just try to get things started with this. Now, I only have a measly $11,000 in there. And so he told me, my financial advisor told me, that he took it off the market, and so right now it's just sitting in cash. And he took it off the market because he was unsure about the economy. And
How did he do that without your permission?
Well, this was in January. He said he was going to do it. I guess I didn't know what that meant either. So. Okay. And he did say it was only going to be for a very short time. Mm-hmm. And this was in January, so now it's June. Okay. So
Okay, your financial advisor's job is to advise you, not to make your decisions for you.
Okay.
And the only way they advise you is if you know what you're doing. And that means that your financial advisor's other job is to teach you. And so I think you need a new financial advisor.
I was kind of thinking that.
Yeah, because I want someone with the heart of a teacher, because, Diane, you're in charge of this money, and it's not measly. If you send it to me, I'll keep it. It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
I mean, you worked hard for it.
Yeah.
And so you need to know what you're putting money into. And then if someone who's advising me gives me advice about something I understand, because I wouldn't be invested in something I didn't understand to start with, and then I need to understand, I want to question them about the advice that they're giving me. And I'm going to, based on the advice they give me, I'm going to then make my decision about my money that God gave me to manage. He didn't give it to that guy to manage. And I don't like the fact that it sounds like he's doing whatever he wants with this money without your permission, or you've signed up for an account that allows him to trade on your behalf, and I don't want that. I want the money only moved when you say it's moved, and only then after you understand why it would be moved.
I understand.
Here's the thing. It sounds like he's trying to time the market, meaning he thinks the market's going to go down, so he pulls the money out.
Yeah,
and he thinks the market's going to go up, so he puts the money in. There's all kinds of research and data that shows that approach to investing does not work.
Okay.
Because if he was so dadgum smart, he knew exactly what the stock market was going to do, go up or down. He'd be running $1 billion fund in New York. He wouldn't be sitting there being your advisor.
Okay.
You know, because nobody knows is my point. I know a ton about it, but I don't know when the market's going to go down or when the market's going to go up. You know when I invest? Every single month, whether it goes down or whether it goes up. I put money in the market every single month, whether it goes down or whether it goes up. I'm quit trying to figure out when it's going to go up or going to go down, because there's a lot of research that shows market timing will cause you to lose your tail end. So I think you need a new advisor, someone that's going to teach you, and I think you need to raise your confidence level with having learned in yourself to be able to make some choices with the help of someone showing you some things and teaching you some things. And that's what I would do if I were in your shoes. And if you need some help with that, one of our endorsed local providers, our ELPs for investing, you can go to daveramsey.com and click on those. And click on investing, and it'll show you who we recommend in that area. And they will take small accounts the size of yours. Otherwise, they won't get my endorsement. And they have the heart of a teacher, or they don't get my endorsement.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button to get the latest content and check out these other great clips from the show.
So you have to break the cycle. You have to flip this thing on its head and make it behave. You've got to get so fired up and wired up that your broke friends think you've lost your mind.